This challenge wasn't for the weak, and all y'all delivered. There are 6-wheelers for days up in here. Thanks again to Black Eagle Diecast for being our guest horseman this month. Love that blue pickup. Mega job. Next month, our theme is movie car. An iconic vehicle, random one, or obscure car or obscure film. Bring the silver screen to your workbench.
Four Horsemen builds are open to all. You do not need to have a YouTube channel or social media presence of any kind to participate. Just send a high-res 16:9 widescreen glamour shot, preferably on a white or light background, to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com to have it included in the recap video. Send your glamour shot on the due date, which is usually the last day of the month. But if you do have a social media presence, be sure to use the hashtag 4horsemendiecast, all one word, so people can find your creations.
Thanks to all of you talented builders who participated. Your work inspires us more than you know. We hope you had as much fun making them as we did checking them out.